Hi, this is Rajkumar Kamath, Executive Director of BNI Goa Region. We just launched the BNI Sports Utsav trophies and the draws. And what a fantastic experience it has been. With music, with drama, the icon players coming in, I think the launch has been fantastic. As you all know, BNI was started with focus on business. But here, we not only work hard on the business, we work harder playing. We work harder on health, and we work, of course, hardest in enjoying every moment of our life. We have the BNI Sports Utsav scheduled on 6th and 7th of February 2026 at the Kampal Sports Stadium. And this, initially when we started, it was only cricket. But today, we have 9 sports included in it, including futsal, badminton, pickleball, chess, carom, and so on. So it's an opportunity for all our members and their family to be a part of an exuberant atmosphere on both these days. Lot of the teams, there are 18 chapters and 1,000 members of BNI, and all of them are presently preparing for this fantastic event, that is the BNI Sports Utsav 2026. I would like to appeal to each and every sports lover to be there at the Sports Stadium Kampal on 6th and 7th of February. All the best, and thank you very much.